Yeah, man. Okay, just gonna go over a little bit of stuff with y'all. Play around a little bit while I do so. So, um, I was messing around a little bit, and today so far I've done two videos that they were live videos and like informative stuff, like this one's gonna be. Doing live videos because they've jacked up my phones and taken all the storage away from me to host their virtual machines and to do their thing, to administrate my devices and whatever. So these things are called poi. And in case you were wondering, these ones are from Ultra Poi. But I got several different kinds listed on my Amazon page. It's amazon.com/shop/targeted individual. It's like my own store. And the things that you can buy on there are not overpriced. They're the same as it would be from anybody else. But it'll probably help me a little bit if you guys go on there. And if you think of anything that you want to put, that you want, that I could put it on there. I could put it on my Amazon shop. And so anything that you want, I could put it on there. And and I guess I get a little bit of money from that. It's an influencer program. Shop Amazon, so I can be an influencer. But anyway, so I'm getting punished, for doing these videos and for doing these things. I went down to the police station, okay, and I filed a thing about these gang stalkers bricking my phones and like crashing my devices over the last 2 weeks. I thought it would be a good idea to document those things and the things that happened. I mean, just because they're doing stuff, it's destroying my property. I'm losing data, and it's my things, and I pay for the phone services, and I pay for the phones, I pay for the memory cards. It's my accounts, it's my devices. So it's criminal. That's it. It's criminal. All right. So they need to. They're gonna have to deal with it one day. One day. So I think that's about 20 police reports since September under that case number. And so I went ahead and did that. So I'm getting punished. I got this gang stalker that's going all over my eyes. I keep feeling it all in my, with this little broadcast. I keep feeling it all in my eyelashes. Okay. Another thing that I'm doing is I'm working on learning some stuff. I'm on my coding stuff, and I'm about to show y'all some of that stuff here in just a minute. That thing's called like when I can't get it balanced perfect every time, but when you're spinning, you get them together like that. You can pull it, go faster. That's called a hyperloop, and the way you do that is like you kind of turn with it, so it keeps the, so I'm straight. I would turn with it when I do it, so it keeps it straight. Anyway, there's a way that gang stalkers do this stuff. Okay, they do this thing called HTTP requests. They're going on our accounts. They're using a virtual machine that they're hosting on our devices. Okay, and then from there, they can control a lot of things. They give themselves all these permissions, and they make themselves like the administrator over us, and we're just like a user on our own device. And they've given themselves administrative authorities, and from there they can access our accounts, and they can control your Wi-Fi. They can run everything in the background, and they're doing it all on like doing like API calls. So one thing that I'm working on is learning how to do API calls, because I feel like anything that they're doing, if we could do it too, then that means that there's a good possibility we could stop them from doing it or see what they're doing. Okay, on my iPad, I use an app called Stream, and my iPhone. It's available on iOS devices. It's called Stream, and it can show you all of the HTTP requests going on in the background, and you can record that, and you'll have that data, and it'll show you like the original place that it's coming from. It'll show you like where they're calling to, the response. It'll show you a lot of the information, and it's always from local hosts. So you know, obviously I don't think I have any kind of local host capabilities on my phones, and that's where it's coming from. So I think they got me linked through their local host when they do that. But right now I'm in the middle of a video where I'm going to try to learn about these API calls. All right, and I'm trying to learn how to do them and how to do that kind of stuff, and hopefully that'll be able to stop them. I found a lot of information in the sites and stuff they go to, and I think that the more I learn, it's going to be very helpful. So one thing, if you want to know what they're doing, how to do some of this stuff, maybe how to stop them, then you need to start learning about API calls. And so what I did right now was I actually had it before, but I just reset my password and like recaptured my account on Postman. It's a thing called Postman. I think before I actually had a software, the Postman software, but and I may have to get it again, but I definitely logged into my Postman, and I maybe just be able to use it from there. I'm not sure exactly how it works, but I'm watching a video on it right now, and so that's what I'm doing right now. And they're punishing me by attacking my eyes with broadcast. So now I'm punishing them by doing a video and telling everybody how I'm going to do this and what they should be doing. And it's going to work out. All of us together, we're going to do our thing. We're going to learn how to do this stuff. We're going to help each other. We're going to learn together. We're going to learn all of this stuff. And it's going to shut down their whole operation. Gang stalkers everywhere, about to be unemployed. If you can't do a live stream without getting caught, then how you going to make any money? How you going to gang stalk me? How you going to sit at home every day? You're going to have to get a job like everybody else. The unemployment rate's about to go down. Anyway, that's what's up right now, y'all. So right now, let's see. I'm watching somebody's video. This how to do API requests with Postman, and you know I got both of these pulled up, and I'm on this one. I'm on Postman on the site. I might have to download the program, and I'm gonna watch this long, like hour and some video. I might watch some more. I'm just gonna all day. I'm just gonna do this stuff and figure out how to do these API calls and how it works, and how I can stop them from doing it in the background of my devices. And that's going to be a big deal. That's going to be a big deal because, for one, I'm going to be able to see what they're doing if they do it. And for two, I'm going to know what I'm looking at, and I'm going to be able to stop them most likely. So it could be very important because I know the way that they do things is API calls in the background, like HTTP requests. And they do that in the background. And to understand this and to learn how to do it ourselves, that's going to be the ticket. Okay, that's going to be one of the very important things that we have to do. So I just wanted to bring that to you guys' attention, and hope you have a good day and hope you have fun watching my video.